Parents, welcome to teaching kids how to use prefixes un and re with words that can be used as both nouns and verbs. Kids will learn that adding a prefix to a word used as a verb makes a new word. Begin by reminding kids that to determine if a word is a noun or a verb depends on the context. That means how the word is used in a sentence, as in the example cover. The first sentence is, "This is the cover for a pot." Cover is a thing and it is a noun. In the second sentence, "Please cover the pot." Cover is the action, so it is a verb. Now review terms with kids. A context is how the word is used in a sentence. That determines if it is a noun, names a person, a place, a thing, or an idea, or a verb, expresses action. Every sentence must have at least one verb. These are words that can be used as a noun or a verb depending on context. The first word is cover, and it is used as a noun in the first context and a verb in the second context. The second word is plug. It is used as a noun in the first context and a verb in the second. The third word is box. It is used as a noun in the first context and a verb in the second. And the fourth word, lock, is used as a noun in the first context and a verb in the second. Now have kids determine if the underlined word in each sentence is used as a noun or as a verb. The first sentence is, "I need another box to pack the dishes." In this sentence, box is a thing, so it is a noun. Sentence number 2. She will button her coat when she goes outside. Button is an action, so it is a verb. Sentence number 3. Her coat is missing a button. Button in this sentence is a thing, so it is a noun. Sentence number 4. She needs to pack her suitcase. Pack is used as an action word, so it is a verb. Number 5. This is a pack of goats. Pack is a thing in this sentence, so it is a noun. This is the completed example. Now introduce prefixes to kids. Explain that adding a prefix to a word makes a new word. The prefix un means not or opposite, and the prefix re means do again. Both prefixes are commonly used with verbs. So now we are going to focus on the 4 words cover, plug, box, and lock that are verbs. Adding a prefix un to a word used as a verb, cover, makes a new word, uncover, and a prefix re to make a new word, recover. Adding a prefix un to a word used as a verb, plug, makes a new word, unplug, and a prefix re to make a new word, replug. Adding a prefix un to a word used as a verb, box, makes a new word, unbox, and a prefix re to make a new word, rebox. Adding a prefix un to a word used as a verb, lock, makes a new word, unlock, and a prefix re to make a new word, relock. This is a chart with the 4 verbs, the 2 new words with prefixes, and sentences for each of the 4 verbs. Have kids determine if the prefix un or re needs to be added to the verb to complete each sentence. With kids, determine the correct prefix. Read the sentence both ways. Then ask kids what sentence makes sense. Response should be uncover so that more pepper can be added to the pot. This is the completed example. Now have kids answer the question. Number 1, why would you need to unlock your locker? Number 2, when do people unbox items? And 3, why uncover a pot? This is a completed example. Number 1, I would unlock my locker to take out my books and backpack. Number 2, people unbox items when they are delivered to their homes or when they move. And number 3, I would uncover a pot when adding ingredients, stirring sauce, or to serve. For the final activity, have kids write the correct prefix un or re to complete each word. We moved to our new home on Sunday. We arrived before the movers to unlock the door so the movers could unload our boxes. We decided to unpack dishes first. To our surprise, none were broken. However, the blender did not work. We decided to unplug it and return it. We also had to unpaper and repaper the kitchen shelves. By 6 o'clock, we were hungry. We realized we could reheat last night's spaghetti. After eating, we cleaned up and decided to review our to-do list for tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you've already subscribed, thank you. And as always, I will leave a link for the teaching templates in the description section.